What's good, y'all? It's your boy Scully. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make a crazy triplet beat and how to make your drums smack really hard, because a lot of people seem to struggle with that. For the kits I used in this beat, I mostly used Rio's 10K and 20K kits right here. And the melody is from the Rose kit. I'll put all of these in the description, so y'all can go check these out. So this is what the melody sounds like with no effects on it. Then I put this halftime on the 1.5 setting because that pretty much gives it the triplet bounce that I'm trying to make it have. So I'll play it with that on now. So let's get into the drums now. For the clap, this is what the clap sounds like. Didn't really even need to play that, because if you know anything about making beats, then you know the clap always hits in the same spot in every single beat pretty much, except for drill. It's a little bit off, but we don't got to get into that right now. Here's what the hats sound like. And then I just duplicated those over to the second half. We got this open hat. Next, we got the snare and the perk, but I'm gonna play it with the clap too, so it has some more context, so you can like feel the bounce of it. And yeah. I definitely think that all those perks bring the whole beat together. Finally, we got the 808. I'm gonna play it with the kick, because you'll just hear it punch more when the kick hits. I don't really need to play the kick separately. That's pretty much all I did to this beat. Most of the other stuff is just arrangement. I put a riser on. The only other thing I really changed was this 808 pattern that hits at the end, and it just goes spazzy. Love that part. But yeah, I'm gonna play the whole beat for y'all now.
Scully.
So for the second one, I got this melody from my boy Ryan. I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description. Go show him some love. This dude's so fire. This is what the melody sounds like before I put the halftime. I did the same halftime as the last beat, but this is what it sounds like before halftime. And this is with it. Super bouncy, super wavy. Now it's time to break down the beat. Started off with this clap. just like the last one, didn't really have to play it because it hits in the same spot. Y'all better buckle up though for these hi-hats. These hats go crazy. Sheesh. Next, we got the snare. I'm gonna play it with the perk that I have and the clap, just so it has more context. With this shaker, I have some pan on it, so these go like left and right in your ears when you have like headphones on, and then the same with these. And then this last one right here is centered. Next, we got the open hat. I really like this one because it's got like this built-in reverse delay thing. It sounds super dope. Again, super fire hats. All these sounds are from the Gucci kit. I'll have this one in the description too. Super fire. Got a lot of my go-to sounds in there. Next up, we got the 808 and the kick. I'm gonna play both of them together. And there's 2 patterns. So, yeah. Here's that. That's pretty much it. I have this switch up for the hi-hats right here. It's pretty much the first one that's right here, but I simplified it down a lot more. And it's just that, and it just repeats itself. Other than that, I got the tags for me and Ryan, and then I put a little riser effect. Yeah. Here's the beat.
Hey, Lil Ryan, you made this?
Scully.
If you stuck around to the end of the video, that means you deserve to get to see this sauce. This is what makes the drums punch so much harder. I got a limiter with the ceiling turned up a little bit and then the gain pushed up. You just play with the gain depending on what the beat sounds like. And then a soft clipper. I literally just opened it and put it on here. It's the same exact everything. That just makes everything so it doesn't clip so harsh. I'll play the hook to the beat without the soft clipper and the limiter, and then I'll play it with. And then here's with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to buy any of my beats, link in the description, everything, just click the links down below. And yeah, that's about it for this video.